I'm going to be walking you through the Ultimate Bundle, which includes all of the class kits for SBC Fest this year. Hey everyone, it's Joy here and welcome to my channel. Scrapbook.com just announced that they are having their SBC Fest again this year. I will have the dates and links down in the YouTube description for you guys, but I just want to say that I am so excited about it and I cannot wait. I have been blessed with being an instructor 2 times before. I am not this year, but I can tell you if you've never watched SBC Fest, you need to, because you learn so much. There's giveaways, amazing instructors, amazing classes, and this year is going to be absolutely no exception. So there are 6 instructors this year, and I'm going to be showing you their kits today. I'm not making a project, but I will be making a project here really soon. Lots of projects coming with all of the kits. So again, there are 6 instructors, but you can get the Ultimate SBC Fest Instructor Bundle, which means you would get all 6 of the kits in the bundle. So if you think that you want to learn from every one of the instructors, then you definitely want to get the bundle. If that's not something that you want to do and you might just want 1 or 2 kits from the instructors, then you can buy them individually also. But there is a massive deal for the bundle as far as what you get, and then you just always have this stuff in your stash. Okay, let's get to the kits. So I have all 6 kits here. I'm just going to bring in one at a time. Of course, they always come in these fantastic pouches. They've got a great zipper. I love these. From my previous kits, when I put all of my stuff like organized away, I keep my pouches for other things. Mainly, I put my cross-stitching projects in them as I'm working on them because they're so nice. Let's start with our first kit here. So that you have Jess Francisco. This is her class kit. Let me pull everything out that you are going to get. So everything that I show you comes in each one of the kits. And again, if you get the whole bundle, you're going to get everything. So you get the 1-inch mint tape. You get the bold hello. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the fun font here and all of the great sentiments. How have you been? I don't know that I've ever seen that sentiment. That's really cute. Miss Sassy Pants, you are so rad. I love that. Let's have coffee. You're going to slay it. That's fun. I'm just so proud of you. That's really awesome. I love that sentiment. Perfect pair. This is a die set. Oh, that's cute. You're going to make 2 cats. It looks like you've got this fun scalloped heart. I love that. Another heart. And of course you have the little details that go onto the kitty cat, like their faces, collars, a little bow tie. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And a little paws stencil. So you could use this for cats or dogs. I am loving that. So this is Jess Francisco's kit. All right, let me get this tucked away and we will go on to our next one. Here we have Briana Estrella. This is her class kit. I hope I pronounced her last name correctly. And let's pull her stuff out. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love an alphabet die. And this is the typewriter. So it looks like you have lowercase and uppercase. Oh my gosh, that is a fantastic die to have in your set. Leaves. Oh, this is fun. So look, you have your bigger leaves and then you have your veins and then you have smaller leaves of the same exact shape. That's pretty fantastic. I like that. And primrose pattern paper. Oh, I love stripes. Love, love, love. Let me pull this off of here. This is fun to look at this stuff together. Oh, other side, Joy. Okay. And this is a 6x8 pattern paper. And you're going to get 5 sheets of each pattern. And there's 40 sheets in here. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. Stripes and more. Oh, so you have a lighter, thicker stripe and a darker, thinner stripe. I like that. Pretty, pretty. Polka dots. Who doesn't love a polka dot? With some flowers. Oh, that's pretty with all of those leaves. You kind of have a solid peachy color here. Bows. A grid pattern. More stripes with a solid on the back. Another grid pattern. This is perfect for masculine cards. Ooh, strawberries. That's fun. And then more flowers and strawberries with a solid black. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That was Briana Estrella's class kit. This is Marishia Dean's class kit. This is my friend. Oh, I'm so excited for her. This might be her 3rd time being an instructor, and she should be because she is amazing. I just love her. Let's see what she has in her kit. Happy Thoughts. I love sentiment dies, or sentiment stamps. Like in the first kit, you have all of these great sentiments, and I love small sentiments like this. I think they're really pretty. This one stood out to me. Be someone who makes others feel happy. There are so many reasons to be happy. Thanksgiving, Easter, Halloween, Hanukkah. Happy looks good on you. Do what makes you happy. Oh, happy camper. That's cute. You make me so happy. Anniversary. You can do happy thoughts. That's pretty fantastic. The nested notched arch dies. Those are fabulous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the hot air balloons. I love that. That's going to be so pretty. What a great die. And a Harlequin embossing folder. 3D embossing folder. You guys, I'm just a sucker for embossing folders. And scrapbook.com is just coming out with tons of them right now. And they are just absolutely fabulous. What a fantastic kit, Marishia. Yay, yay. I cannot wait to watch her class. We got 3 more kits to go. Let's see, who do we have here? Laura Graff's kit. Oh, she's a sweetheart. I think it was in 2025 I got to go to the studio and visit her and Cody and everybody there. They are just absolutely wonderful people, you guys. Just genuine people. I met one of the owners. So nice. Got to go in their studio. That was fun. They're just sweet, sweet people. Okay, so again, this is Laura Graff's kit. Ooh, you guys, I love a stripe. So this is the Wildflower. This is the A2 size. And again, 40 sheets, 5 sheets of each pattern. And it is double-sided. So, oh, that's really cute, actually. Those little tiny flowers in there and that kind of grid pattern. More stripes. Ooh, I like that one. That's fun. I don't know the exact dates of SBC Fest. It's always been in September before, and I don't have any reason to believe it's not in September. But again, I will have the exact dates down in the description of this video. That's so pretty. That's pretty. I love this, and I love that. Gorgeous. Oh, that's fun. That'd be good to like take a strip of that. That is really pretty. We have Hello Wildflower. Oh, these are great sentiments too. And you have butterflies and flowers. Love you. You're the best so much. Happy birthday. Love you bunches. That's pretty fabulous. Oh, and you get a coordinating die for that. Look at that sentiment. A little hello from me to you. And coordinating dies, you guys. I love it. The wavy arched window frame. That's pretty fantastic. Oh, I love that. And wildflower dies. Oh, there's a love you sentiment, a hi, hello. I like that it's kind of bold. A note just a note, sorry. I was reading that wrong. Ooh, great leaves, great flowers. This is a good one to have in your stash for sure. You cannot go wrong. And I like that they're on the smaller side. Butterflies, of course. All right. Nice kit, Laura. Nice kit. Okay, you guys, we got 2 more. Kristie Marcotte. Oh, she's a sweetheart too. All right, let's pull out her stuff. Let's go to the paper. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Look at how colorful this is. I do love scrapbook.com's paper pads. Again, this is a 6x8 paper pad. So you're getting big size paper. Big size paper in this kit. Let's go through. Ooh, that's really fun. Fun colors. Those are kind of a different kind of polka dot. Ooh, I love that and I love this. How pretty. That's like a basket weave, you guys. How fun is that? Gorgeous blue, like a little lavender here. Little ladybugs and beetles and bees, and that's cute. Pretty, pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It's kind of a burlap looking paper. Then we have the Hello Bloom. So this, okay, so what this looks like is like a layering stamp, or you can leave it open. Yeah, you're going to leave those open. Here's little leaves to go with the different flowers on the different sizes of stems. That's pretty fantastic. Not going to lie, I think that is really cute. And little butterflies. And you have a coordinating, what it looks like is a coordinating stencil. These pieces here, part of these are going to coordinate with these, and then you have other stencils. So you have this one and this. So this one looks like it goes to this. This one goes to this. This one goes to that, and then you have your little butterflies. So that's fun. Okay. And this is the mini square grid with panel. This is fantastic for this, and those die sets that Laura Graff has in her kit would fit in these little grids, and then you could place a sentiment here. Oh my gosh. So fun. Great kit, Kristie. You guys, I'm going to be making cards with these kits, with mixing and matching and all kinds of things, and I cannot wait. This is going to be so fun. So definitely stay tuned on my channel for me to do that. I'm reaching in here first without my little card. Jeez Louise, getting ahead of myself. And then we have Simon Hurley. Oh, Simon, he does fun classes. He always has fun stuff. That is going to be exciting. So this is the last kit. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so it looks like you get Simon Hurley clear foam. That's really fantastic. This is like dimensional foam. It is 2 millimeters thick, which I think is like the sweet spot for foam adhesive. That's fun. Then you're going to get some solar paste. This is Beluga solar paste. And this is Astro paste in Sugar Rush. Oh, that has glitter in it. This is always shimmery, kind of iridescent-y. So those look like some purples. That is really fun. Okay. Then you have, I think that goes with that, the Pip the Polar Bear. He is super cute. And it looks like you get 2 sentiments, Merry Christmas and Warm Hugs. Yeah, you're going to get those dies. Oh, and then you have a little, okay. So this border die here is going to go with this 3D embossing folder. So it's going to cut this edge here. So this border die cuts this edge. And then this stencil, these layering stencils, you can ink blend on here, on their snowflakes. So this coordinates with this as well, is what it looks like. I'm so sorry, my phone is going off. Okay. Yep, so that is fun. So you can stencil your 3D embossing folder and you can cut your 3D embossing folder, and then you have this cute polar bear. That is really, really, really fun. And then you have all the pastes. Great kit. Okay, guys. That is all of the kits. So I just wanted to remind you again that you can get the whole Ultimate SBC Fest Instructor Bundle if you wanted to do every single one of the classes, or you could just pick as many classes as you want and buy those kits. Again, I will have everything listed and linked for you guys below down in the description, and I cannot wait for SBC Fest. And then stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing videos with these products. So I will see you then. Bye!